Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Also welcome to the video number 4 of transformations. So in the previous videos we already learned different types of problems and their solutions. So let us see, few more models are left in this chapter. In that, this is the one of the model. So read the question. If A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle, then prove that sine square A plus sine square B minus sine square C is equals to 2 into sine A into sine B into cos C. See, especially LHS, what is it? Sine square A plus sine square B minus sine square C. Right? So see, earlier we dealt with sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C, or maybe sine A plus sine B plus sine C, isn't it? So we have not discussed the problems involving with square. See, right now here these are the things with the squares. So what to do and how can we solve? Very simple. See, I just want to consider these two as a single unit. Now you know this is like sine square A minus sine square B. Do you know what is the product of sine of A plus B and sine of A minus B? So sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B, which is nothing but sine square A minus sine square B. Sine square A minus sine square B. So now using this result, how can we write this one? That implies sine square A plus, now this is nothing but sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C. Sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C. See, once again given that A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle, that nothing but A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees as usual, right? So from this, can I write it? B plus C is equals to 180 minus A into this is sine of B minus C. Okay, ma. So what is it now? Sine square A plus sine of 180 minus A. Because of 180, sine remains same, and 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine obviously positive. So that is sine A into sine of B minus C. Now from these two, we can take sine A common. Then after taking sine A common, one more sine A plus sine of B minus C. So this can be written as sine A into, see here the angle is in terms of A, whereas this is in terms of B minus C, B and C. So do one thing, from that A I can write it as 180 minus of B plus C, right? Isn't it? A is equals to 180 minus of B plus C plus sine of B minus C, and entirely you can close it. So this is sine A into okay, so this is just like 180 minus theta, so which is sine of B plus C plus sine of b minus c. So what is this? Look at the terms in the bracket. Just like sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So which is equals to 2 sine a into cos b. So here's 2 sine a, first angle is b, into cos second angle is c. So if you multiply these two now, 2 into sine a into sine b into cos c, which is RHS. See how simple? Very simple, no? Than the previous models. This is very easy. Just the thing is, sine square b minus sine square c can be written as sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. And later, that is b plus c can be written as 180 minus a, which is equal to sine a. Now we can take sine a common from first two. Then one is in terms of a, another one is in terms of b and c. Better to change into same variable, because we cannot change, this is b minus c, we cannot change it into a. If it is b plus c, then we can write it in terms of a. So that's why let us change angle a, that is 180 minus of b plus c, which is equals to sine of b plus c and plus sine of b minus c. Just like sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b, which is equal to 2 sine a into cos b. Here a and b are nothing but b and c. So on multiplication, we get RHS. So look at the next question. Once again, if a comma b comma c are angles in a triangle, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c is equals to 1 minus 2 sin a into sin b into cos c. So this problem also you can solve in the same method what we did the previous one. But for a change, I just want you to change the method. Let us see, I want to solve in a different method here. So consider cos square a, I mean LH is cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c. Actually you can solve it same as the previous one. If you consider this as a single unit, then cos square b minus cos square c. Actually we have no formula, one you need to change it in terms of sign. Otherwise do one thing, cos square a, can we write it as 1 plus cos 2a by 2? 1 plus cos 2a by 2 plus this is 1 plus cos 2b by 2 and minus cos square c. Only first two I just want to change. So clearly this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus half if you take common, cos 2a plus cos 2b and minus cos square c. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 which is equals to 1 plus half into, this is just like cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Close the bracket and this is minus cos square c. Okay, so now 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus, what is this? Cos of, after taking 2 common, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b and minus cos square c. So once again a plus b, can we write it as 180 minus c? Because of they are the angles of a triangle. Sum of the angles a plus b plus c is equals to 180. From that a plus b is equals to, we can write 180 minus c into cos of a minus b minus cos square c. See 1 and okay, because of 180 cos remains cos, but 180 minus theta second quadrant where cos is negative. So minus 1 minus cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos square c. Okay, so 1 minus, let us take minus cos c common here, then this is cos of a minus b plus cos c, isn't it? So 1 minus cos c into, let it be cos of a minus b, but what about this c? Once again we can write it as 180 minus of a plus b. Okay, so 1 minus cos c into, this is cos of a minus b, and once again this is minus cos of a plus b. So what is that? I think 2 sin a sin b, isn't it? So which is equals to 1 minus cos c into the value of this cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, 2 sin a into sin b. So after multiplication we get 2 into sin a into sin b into cos c, which is equals to RHS. So don't worry, you can also try this question in the previous method, but not directly. Do one thing, in the place of cos square c, you can write it 1 minus sin square c, then 1 you can bring it completely out, then cos square b minus cos square c, sin square c, you can simplify. If not, you can also do it in this way. So look at this question now, everybody. So once again, this is nothing but in a triangle ABC, because given that a plus b plus c is equals to pi, 180, sum of the angles is equals to 180. Then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equals to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So see, slightly change in the model. This time angles are along with the square, now half angles, a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. No problem, even though it is very easy. So coming to LHS, what is my cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2, isn't it? Now among this, see, I want to write it especially this one. Can I write it like this? 1 minus sin square b by 2, and this is once again as it is. Any one you can change, not only cos square b by 2, if you want you can also change even cos square c by 2, even you can also change cos square a by 2 also. Any one of the cos square you can write it as 1 minus sin square. Now bring this plus 1 to the beginning, so 1 plus cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. And what can you say about this is cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2. So clearly this is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, because you know what is that? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, which is equals to cos square a minus sin square b. This is the formula. So this is just like cos square a minus sin square b. Hence, how can we replace this? Is cos of a plus b, that is a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. So 1 plus, see this is cos of a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Can you guess what to do? What to do here? See, 1 plus cos of, because of a plus b plus c is equals to 180, then a plus b is equals to, I can write a pi minus c whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2 is nothing but like this, pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. What about this? Because of 90, cos changes into sin, no? And moreover 90 minus theta, anyhow all are positive. So sin c by 2, this value, into cos of a minus b by 2 plus, since we got one sine function here, to take common in the next step we need to take something common. If I write as it is, we cannot take anything common, right? So that is why cos square, once again I want to write it as 1 minus sine square. Now this one also you can bring it to here. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus, if I take sin c by 2 common here, then this is cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin of c by 2. Sin of c by 2. Actually sin of c by 2, c by 2 what we can write it here, you see. Actually c is equals to 180 minus of a plus b, right? Now c by 2, then 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So that is what I want to write it, 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So till here can write as it is, and because of now this is just like 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, a plus b by 2, isn't it? So for our convenient, I just want to write in this manner. What is this? Cos of, can I write it a by 2 minus b by 2? Isn't it, minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. Can write it, no? So what about that? Is already discussed in the last problem also. So that is equals to 2 plus sin c by 2, 2 plus sin c by 2 into, which is nothing but 2 sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. So now 2 plus 2 into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. After taking 2 common, 1 plus sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. So look at the solution, everybody. Every problem, maximum I am solving every problem on board, every model, and even in that model at least 2 problems. So coming to the next question, just we need to change the sign here. Earlier plus plus. Now prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 is equals to 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, the process is almost all same. See, the only thing is this sign is minus. So once again cos square b by 2, you can write it as 1 minus sin square b by 2. The 1 you can bring it to front, and this is cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2, and this is nothing but same as like this, no? So cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, whereas only difference is here sin. This is minus minus. Okay ma. So these two steps also same. Once again a plus b by 2 I can write it as 90 minus c by 2, which is nothing but sin c by 2. And now this time minus of, isn't it? Minus of cos square c by 2 is nothing but 1 minus sin square c by 2. Now 1 and this minus 1 gets cancelled, hence no more here 2 plus. And this is minus of minus plus. Okay. Now once again c by 2 we can write it as 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So clearly 90 minus theta, sine of 90 minus theta cos theta. Moreover there is a sine plus, and this is also plus. Now what is that? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. What is the formula? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So this is sine c by 2 into, which is equals to 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. So multiply and write in order. First of all a followed by b and then c. Is it RHS or not? So same problem, just differ by sign. Look at this problem now. See, till now maximum except 1 or 2 questions, everywhere the given condition is A, B, C are the angles of a triangle. That is nothing but A plus B plus C is equals to 180. But look at this problem. So given that A plus B plus C is equals to 90, but it is 90, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equals to 1 plus 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. So no problem whether it is 90 or 180 or 270 or 360 or 0 or even S or even 2S. It can be anything, no problem. Just you go ahead with the fundamentals of transformations. Okay. So come on. What is LHS here? Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. So within this you can treat any two together. Suppose these two. Now the formula is cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos 2C. Okay. Now you see this 2 into cos of, can take 2 common and cancel it, A plus B, and similarly this is cos of A minus B plus cos 2C. The same process. See, earlier we used to write A plus B as 180 minus C, but now A plus B is equals to 90 minus C. Whatever we have here, that's what we can write it. So into cos of A minus B plus cos 2C. So see this, cos of 90 minus theta, which is sin theta, sin C, into cos of A minus B. Okay, plus now cos 2C formula in terms of sin, because there is a sign. No? Next step we need to take something common. If I write this is in terms of cos, nothing is there to take common. That is why better to express this in terms of sign, that is 1 minus 2 sine square c. Formulas are most important. See, although we are in transformations, we are again depending on the formulas of compound angles, even sometimes multiple and submultiple angles. Fine. So plus 1, I want to mention in the beginning 1, and from the rest 2, let us take 2 sine c common. Then this is cos of a minus b, and we have moreover minus sine c, isn't it? So 1 plus 2 sine c into, see here, one is in terms of a and b, another one is in terms of c. So either c you convert into ab, or this ab you convert in terms of c. Anyhow, first one is not possible. So do one thing, minus c means I can write it as 90 minus of a plus b, isn't it? From this, c is equals to 90 minus of a plus b. So this is furtherly cos of a minus b. See, 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So 1 plus 2 sine c into, this is straight formula, no? Which is equals to 2 sine a into sine b. So on multiplication, 2 into 2, 4 into sine a into sine b into sine c. Hence proof. See the last problem. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0 degrees, what is this time? Sum of the angles is 0 degrees. Then prove that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equals to minus 4 into sine a into sine b into sine c. So have you observed the condition here? A plus b plus c is equals to 0 degrees. No problem, which is very simple now if it is 0. So consider LHS, sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Okay, so here I just want to consider these two together, then apply the formula of sine c plus sine d. 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So how can we write furtherly? Take 2 common, then which is a plus b, and here cos of a minus b plus sine 2c. And you see this time 2 into sine of a plus b means, so 0 minus c, no? What about 0 minus c? 0 minus c, nothing but simply minus c. Earlier we used to write some 90 minus c or 180 minus c, etc, etc. Now simply minus c into cos of a minus b plus formula for sine 2c, 2 sine c into cos c. So see, sine of minus theta, minus 2 sine c, and rest of them are same. And in the next step, can we take minus 2 sine c common? If you take minus 2 sine c common, here we have cos of a minus b, and coming to here we have minus cos c, minus into minus plus. So once again you see my first function is in terms of a and b, whereas this is c. So let us change into same, no? Minus cos of c means minus of a plus b, isn't it? What about this one now? Minus cos of minus theta, anyhow cos theta. So which is equals to cos of a plus b. Okay. So what about this? Minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. I think this is 2 sin a into sin b. So just if you multiply minus 4 into sin a into sin b into sin c, which is the required condition. So do you understand now? So no need to worry, whatever it may be the angle here, can be 0, can be 90, can be 180, can be 270, can be 360, and even generally like s and 2s. No need to worry, but identify the condition first of all, what is given that, and you can go ahead with the fundamentals of transformations. So with this problem, my dear, I think maximum I discussed each and every model. Maximum more than 95% we discussed the models of transformations. Still, if any one or two is left, then will be covered in the next video. Okay. Now based on this, you can solve the rest of the objective problems from your material. Thank you. Thank you everybody.